Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be trying the Double Decker candy bar. See, there's the front of it. This is actually a UK candy bar brand. See inside, there's also the coating too. Chocolate coating. So let's go and see how this tastes. First one, toast style. Delicious. Feeling inside. Also see the fudge and the pieces of wafers. Really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.